What's going on, my YouTube people? Today, we're talking about GoPro Funnels. All right. Now, I have some free bonuses for you guys and gals. All right. Now, what we're going to do, I'm going to scroll down this page. This is my bonus page to let you know what bonuses you can get if you purchase GoPro Funnels from my link on this page, which you can find under this video in the YouTube description. All right. Now, GoPro Funnels. It says brand new ClickFunnels killer. Lets you build dynamic and profitable funnels in minutes without any technical skills, outsourcing, or ongoing monthly fees. That's beautiful. And of course, if you want to get my bonuses, oh yeah, I didn't even tell you. You're getting 10 bonuses, all right? You're getting 5 bonuses from me and 5 bonuses from the vendor, all right? But you have 4 days. As you can see, the time is going down. You have 4 days to get these bonuses, all right? Now, first off, if you're an affiliate marketer, a blogger, whether you do business online and you're trying to get more exposure and you're trying to market and you have sales copy and stuff like that, whether you know what a funnel is or not, GoPro Funnels is something that you need, all right? Now, once you decide that you do want to make your purchase, you just click this link right here where it says click here to grab GoPro Funnels. I know you want to hear about the bonuses in a moment, all right? Also, you could click this link right here, any yellow link on this page. You could click on it. It'll take you to the original sales page, all right? So, what is GoPro Funnels all about? GoPro Funnels is a next generation funnel builder that allows you to create high converting sales funnels, websites, landing pages in any niche. Point and click, grab it, put it there. And you're in business. You're making sales because you're advertising the easy way, all right? You get it at an unbeatable one-time price without any restrictions and no monthly fees, all right? Now, for one, the product is very affordable. It's only $14 to $17 depending on if you get the coupon. I'll let you know how to get the coupon at the end of this video, okay? Now, we have upsells, which are called one-time offers. You already know. If you don't know, you have to get the offer while you see it. If you don't, it's gone, all right? Now, the first upsell is the GoPro Funnels Pro, which more than likely it'll give you more features. On this page, it'll tell you all the features. I'm just giving you a little summary. And the upgrade number 2 is the done for you GoPro Funnels. Basically, the developers, they'll create everything for you with your name on it so you don't have to do anything. That's another great thing, all right? Upsell number 3, you get the GoPro Funnels agency. Basically, you could take advantage of this and make money selling these services to your clients or other people, all right? Now, upsell number 4, you get the GoPro Funnels reseller. What does that mean? It means that you could sell this package to other people and make money from it. It doesn't matter if you take advantage of the funnels or not. You could just sell this package to somebody, all right? Beautiful, 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 all right? Now, if you click the link under the video in the description, you could get to this page, all right? And then you could read everything here. It'll give you all the details on what you get on the front end and the upsells, all right? On the front end, easy to use drag and drop page builder. You could pause and read it, or you could go to the video. Like I told you, go to the page by clicking the link under the description, like I told you. But let's continue. Upsell number 1, more information. Upsell number 2, more information. You already get it, all right? Now, key benefits. It's 100% cloud-based. You don't have to download or install anything. You get to connect your favorite SMTP service, whether it's GetResponse, Aweber, and guess what? You could use your own Gmail. You could use Yahoo. That's what this is for. This is beautiful, all right? No domain or hosting required. You host all the pages and funnels on their fast CDN servers, all right? You could create unlimited pages for yourself or your clients too. Point and click your way to the perfect funnel ASAP, as soon as possible. It's an all-in-one solution for all your funnel building needs. Tons of templates, including quiz templates to get you started quickly, real fast, no time wasting. It's SEO optimized and free built-in traffic hubs. It's fully responsive and mobile friendly with fast loading websites. Again, no technical skills or prior experience required. No monthly fees. Pay once and use it forever. Beautiful, baby. Huh, huh, huh. What? What? Says a 30-day money back guarantee. Oh, you got to get this. Click the link under the description right now because there's no risk. There's no risk and you have everything to gain. You have everything. You know what? I have to show you something. I have to show you something. You know, there's a demo right here. Okay, there's a demo right here. The demo is about 14 minutes. When you get to this page, you can watch the demo. Okay, you could click play. It'll show you.
Welcome to the demo video of GoPro Funnels.
All right.
I'm on the dashboard of GoPro Funnels.
When you get here, you can watch the video. It shows you the dashboard of everything what's inside so you can see what you're gonna get. All right, but I don't want to waste your time. I want to make this video quick. I'm just here to show you what bonuses you get and what this is all about. But first, let me show you something real quick. All right, let me show you something real quick. All right, let me compare GoPro Funnels to ClickFunnels, Kartha, Converti, and Instapage. Now, everybody is familiar with ClickFunnels. They're popular, all right? But guess what? GoPro Funnels beats ClickFunnels hands down. Big boy, all right? Now, look. Traffic, unlimited. ClickFunnels, 20,000. Click the link in the description to get GoPro Funnels right now. Come on. Look, you could pause it and you could look. I don't even have to read it out to you. Look, it beats all of these. It beats all of these. And this is for you. This is something you need for your business. Traffic, funnels, pages, custom domains, templates, free form editing, one-click upsells, bump sales, page and funnel sharing. The list goes on. Look, ClickFunnels is about over $1,100 a year. $1,000 a year, okay? Kartha is almost $1,000 a year. How much is GoPro Funnels? $17. $17. It's under 20 bucks. Come on now. Click the link under the description. All right. Now, let's get back to the bonuses because I said you get 10 bonuses, right? That's what I said. Anyway, bonus number 1. I partnered with Jono Armstrong, and he's going to give you this hack. All right, you get access to the lockdown formula. You get access to the lockdown formula, okay? Bonus number 2. You get another hack. You get access to Jono's headlines. Now, I know when you're writing your emails or writing your copy, you be like, damn, what headline should I put? And it may take you 10 minutes, 30 minutes, hour, who knows? Guess what? Get it done real quick by using this. Bonus number 3. You get access to Jono's mobility course. Basically, everything you need to know to make money with your mobile phone. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bonus number 4. Bonus number 4, Nova. You get access to Nova and all of the upsells. I already told you what Nova is in my other video. This is something that you need. This is a product that costs money and it benefits you. You need to get it now. What bonus is this? This is bonus number 4, right? Bonus number 5 is what? Access to the vendor bonuses. All right. And what is the vendor offering? What is he offering? Let's find out. All right. Let's find out. You get these cool bonuses. All right. You get unlimited email and chat support for as long as you're a customer. As long as you're a customer of GoPro Funnels, well, a member, you get unlimited email support. That's exactly what it says, priceless. That is priceless. Come on now. Most of these products, services, or training programs that you get, they give you email and chat support for maybe 3 months, 6 months. You get unlimited chat support with this. Come on now. The next bonus, this is bonus number 5. This is bonus number 6. You get the underground GoPro Funnels mastery sessions. All right. They'll personally spill all the knowledge they have on creating incredible funnels with GoPro Funnels. You can read the rest, you can see it. And once you get to the sales page, you can see what this is. We trying to make this quick. Bonus number 3 from the vendor, which is bonus number 5, 6, 7, 8, right? You get a free upgrade to the GoPro Funnels commercial license, all right? Normally, this would be one of the upsells, all right? But they're giving you a chance to get this commercial license so you could profit even more, all right? What's the next bonus? The next bonus is video VR. But watch this. I'm gonna mess it up. I'm gonna say this. It's video VR. Anyway, this is a $197 value, all right? It's their innovative lead generation software that combines powerful gamification technology with immersive virtual reality. Wow. Yo, that will allow you to create a treasure hunt contest in any virtual environment. Yo, this is huge. Yo, I'm gonna take advantage of this myself. I advise you too. Yo, these bonuses are great. Click the link in the description to get it. You have a few days left. What's the next bonus? What's the next bonus? Bonus number 5, which is bonus number 9, all right? You get the OmniTraffic X, which is their underground traffic generation software that leverages Pinterest to drive hordes of traffic to your offers. Hold on. That's 9 bonuses. I said 10, right? Hold on, I got you. But hold up 1 second. Let's recap everything to see what you're getting with GoPro Funnels, all right? You get an easy-to-use drag-and-drop page builder. You get to build landing pages, opt-in pages. You can read it, you see it. You get to create high-converting sales funnels, websites, landing pages, quiz pages in under 60 seconds. You get to unlock 50-plus done-for-you high-converting templates. You get to add custom domains to your high-converting pages. You get to import CSV lists and segmentation, integrate with popular email gateways, SMTP, use your Gmails, use your Yahoo, SendGrid, Mailgun, the list goes on. You broadcast emails to your custom imported list, done-for-you traffic source. Get email campaign reports, open rates and click rates, seamless autoresponder integrations. You get a 30-day money-back guarantee. And plus the vendor is giving you 5 bonuses. And I'm giving you 5 bonuses for a total of 10. Click the link in the description under the video right now. And then once you get to the page, you can review everything what I just told you. Or if you're ready, and when you're ready, click this link right here, or click this link right here, or click this link right here, and guess what? It will take you to the sales page. It will take you to the sales page where you could purchase GoPro Funnels, the ClickFunnels killer. All right? And once you get to the sales page, this is the vendor. This is the guy who created this for you. If you want to listen to a message from him, you play this video. All right? But that's enough. I told you about 10 bonuses, right? I did tell you about 10 bonuses, all right? Now, for the 10th bonus, it's a special bonus from me. And to find out what it is, go to the description under this video. If you was entertained, and if you like GoPro Funnels, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and enjoy.
Y'all thought I forgot. I told y'all about a discount, right? I told y'all how y'all could get GoPro Funnels with the coupon, right? It's easy. All you gotta do, once you get to the sales page, just act like you're going to leave. Just take your cursor, act like you're leaving the browser. Oh, there it is. That's all you gotta do. Click here to claim your discount. Boom, and you're done.